really tall. Hi. Good afternoon. Y'all did it better for him. Good afternoon. Awesome.
Our Mixtros software enhances the world's first art form, which is face-to-face connection. Today at BW, freshman students are coming into a Mixtros session where they'll first hear me speak on the power of face-to-face connection in the digital age. Following, we'll run a mix on them, connecting them with like-minded students before classes even start. During the session, students will launch the app, complete a name tag, and answer questions the university customized ahead of time. At the completion of my session, the app will tell students who they've been matched with and where to meet their group on campus. When they arrive, icebreakers in app kick off the conversation. We know that when a student feels connected on campus, they're more likely to progress, retain, and graduate. With Mixtros, while they mix, you learn.